In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. First, open YouTube TV and sign into your account. In the top right corner, click your profile icon and select Settings. You'll automatically land on the Membership tab, where you'll see your current subscriptions. Look for NFL Sunday Ticket, then click Manage. Here, YouTube TV shows the cancellation policy. Important note, once you pay for a season, it's non-refundable, but you can cancel so it doesn't auto-renew next season. As shown on my screen, it renews on August 6th. To stop that, just click Cancel on the right-hand side, confirm your choice, and you're done. You'll keep access for the season you already paid for, but it won't renew next year. And that's how you cancel NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV.